What's going on, guys? Right before the open here, 5 seconds, and I'm waiting for a long. I want this hourly long set up way down here at 65. Got some ways to go, so not really too concerned with what happens here right away. Let's see where SPX opened. SPX opened right at a short. It could push up to 58, 59 before the actual really good short. But right now this is looking a lot like a short. As it rips 10 points. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. There it is. Right to the tick. We're also on a 60-minute long setup right here on this wick. And that is at 94.50, looks like. 94.25. So looks like right here we're being bought up. It does feel like we're gonna send it at some point. I just think we have to pull back, consolidate, do something first, because we ripped overnight at like 2 or 3 a.m. rather than at the open, so that's kind of weird and sketchy. There's the short setup right there at 15 on NQ. It's also a reversal pattern here on the 60-minute. So on the higher time frame, it's a reversal, but I need a better setup than that to take it short for sure. And if I did, I'd only take one contract. Nothing crazy like 2 or 3. Let's see what happens here. 2 minutes till this candle closes. So what am I looking for? I don't know if I'm looking for a short. I gotta see a bit more. Oh, really nice 4-hour long as well. At 60, 65. Yeah, so right all in that area would be a fantastic long. And I think people are jumping the gun. They say, oh, the reversal's in. Let's let's just rip it long. And to be fair, that might work. But I don't have any setup to get in long, so I'm not going to. Oh boy. ES has got room all the way down here. I don't know about this, man. I don't think ES's short isn't up here until 87. SPX, yeah, like I said, not till like 59. So until I see like a reversal pattern, 18 is the level. 18 is the actual short level. So if we close this under it, I could take a stab at it. Like a 5-point stop sort of thing. I don't know, man. 10 seconds left. Such a sketchy short. Look at the price action. Okay, so we closed above it. We closed above the 18, dipped into it. So really, technically, that's a long setup now. Unless we fail it, close under it, and come back into it again. But, excuse me, these are 5-minute setups. I would expect the hourly to win, but like, there's no clean entry for me. So until then, I'm just gonna sit on my hands. Yeah, see, and then it rips a new high. Yep, it just doesn't care. I love it. Short setup there at 31. What did we hit? 34.75. So we're starting to put in a reversal pattern. I don't know what's going to happen in the next 2 minutes, though. Heck, we might even put in a long setup. I don't know. Hold on one sec. I gotta type something here. Okay, so now we're back in the area of the hourly short, right? And now we're seeing some rejection. We're seeing a a setup here finally that might close. It might not close. It looks like it'll probably close somewhere down here. Maybe if I'm lucky, I get a pop back up into 26. And then we take that. This is now a potential 2-contract trade. Excuse me. Like 8 or 10 points. I would say 8 points. So I'm trading the 2 accounts that haven't passed yet. The evaluation. That's why I'm clicking 4, because 2 will go to each account. 1 minute left. Yeah, see right now this is a short. Let me just double check on. Yeah, SPX is just in this weird channel. Short setup right here, short setup right here. We bounced off the long to begin the day. And if that fails, we could fill this gap and come all the way back down 20 points from here. Great trade. Great trade on NQ back down to the long if I get it. 10 seconds to close this candle. It's looking like we're not going to get it. Multi-bracket orders are not supported. Okay.
Order working.
Okay, we're good. Oh, that would be so sick if we just went past 18, went right back up into 24, 25, and just sent it right back down. So then where's my stop? At 32? Yeah.
Order working.
I want to be pretty precise with that entry so I can have such a tight stop. 8 points is pretty tight. Come on.
Order filled.
There it is.
Order filled.
All right, let's see it. Let's see it break these lows at least into like 600, 95, that sort of area. That'd be really nice.
Order working. Order cancelled. Order working. Order working.
Looks like SPX isn't quite done pumping yet.
Order working.
See if I can get that one contract out quickly.
Order working. Order cancelled.
Come on, push it down a little. Push it down. Come on.
Order filled.
Nice. Okay, so I got one out.
Order cancelled.
Let's cancel all these and we'll put in a profit stop. We'll put it in at 4 points.
Order working.
No, it's too tight.
Order cancelled. Order working.
There we go. Pretty nice trade there. Got the pinpoint entry. There was no drawdown. What, a point for like a second, and then it just started moving in my direction. Those trades are always the easiest, and it's funny because they're actually the hardest to hold for the longest amount of time, because I'll do shit like this and I'll move my stop. It'll stop me out. I would have been better off just covering both, and then it finally goes in my favor. So, but listen, SPX does not look like it's playing well. Okay, if it closes under this high and then pops into that high, that's a short setup. I'm gonna cancel
Order cancelled.
Stop and put it really
Order
close,
working.
because I don't really care about $50 in terms of giving the trade more room. I didn't take this trade just to make $50. We've locked in 240 on this trade. Not bad. I always say like, oh, I want to make more money than that. It's like, well, that's not how you don't trade based on your P&L. So that's why I try to hide this too. Just leave that there. Fuck it. Nice rejection here. Off that same sort of level. Came back up, almost stopped me out, and now we might head lower. See, now if it heads higher again, I don't want it. That must mean we found some sort of bottom, and we're gonna just try to push. SPX reclaimed that short. It's not a short anymore. 4 seconds.
Stop filled.
Yeah. Oh.
Order filled.
I don't know what just happened there. I think I accidentally got long. Anyways, that was a pretty clean short. If I had held on to that long, 15 points. No, I can't do that. That wasn't part of the plan. Well, let's see. Where is the big 5-minute short? Ah, that's such messy price action. Doesn't really look like there's a short up in here. That's alright. Dang, look at that rip. 25 points. You see, that's not a long, though. So, like, if I had accidentally been long that, and then gotten paid right now, whatever. I'm just trying to take smart trades. Quick, smart trades. Let's see if we get one at 950. I don't know how I feel about this long. Yeah, I'm not going to take it just to take it. So we're trying to see if this is the mini Head and Shoulders. Like, if we make a new high here, we'll probably continue up until these highs, right? And maybe we'll test it, we'll break through, we'll test it, we'll fail. And then if we fail, do we just consolidate and then break out, or do we fail and then head, make new lows? I don't know. So I'm just trying to take the best trades possible with tight risk. And I don't want to force a trade in the next couple minutes. So what I'm going to do is stop the video here. Maybe take one more trade. And maybe I am going to record it, but maybe not. If not, then that was my trade for the day. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you.